Good morning, YouTube. Today's video, we got a Dodge Ram pickup, the inside and outside combination package, which is our platinum package. So then after that, we got a Toyota Highlander, and it's pretty cold out here today, so I'm not going to be doing much recording because we also have some landscapers that's around. So for those purposes, I'm just going to be taking some video clips, and I also show you the befores and the afters. So I'll see y'all back in a minute. Alright, so we have finished washing and waxing and clearing and all of that good stuff. So now let me go ahead and show you the inside and show you how the inside look before I get started. Finally, we got it all done, and this is the finished result. Alright, so this is the second vehicle that we got for the day, and with this one it's going to be getting just the basic exterior wash. So give you a little close-up of what this look like. That's it, folks. We finished. We wrapping up the day. So we done the Dodge Ram 1500 and Toyota 4Runner. Let me give you a look at the 4Runner, let you see what we came out with as far as the results go. Like I said, it wasn't too bad anyway, but I will take a detail like this anytime. Quick and easy, nothing crazy. Now, as far as the inside go, we just did a light interior vacuuming. We did the windows and we wiped down the dash a little bit, and that's it. She got the bronze package, which is just the exterior wash. You get the light interior vacuum, and you get your windows done inside and out. Alright, thanks for joining me. If y'all like these type of videos and you want to see more like these in the future, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel, leave a comment if there's any questions that you may have for me. Don't forget, I'm located in the Maryland area, so if you so happen to be in the Maryland area, look me up, 410 Auto Show Mobile Detailing, and we'll come take care of you. See y'all on the next one.